Did you lose?
No, wait.
You won?
Amy,
You
come on.
want to believe it, training. Is this vlog content?
This would be white,
Yeah.
so it would look iridescent.
Yeah. No, I like this. I like this a lot.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Yeah, in the dark it looks so pretty.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke. Your love life's the away.
Alright guys, 3 days until SLO Hacks. How are we feeling?
Great.
Mika, how you feeling? 3 days until SLO Hacks go. So we have Switch for our chill zone and that's what they're playing.
Brandon's really good.
No. I'm just here.
Alright, hit
Take
me.
that.
Hit me again.
No! Wait, you walked into that one.
Yeah, oh my god. Where's my knife? Where's my knife? Don't mess with Mika. Ethan, what are your thoughts on this?
I'm scared.
Do you have the poly dot?
Flashback. Your job's a joke, you broke. Your love life's the away.
Everyone, we are freezing outside right now, outside of Costco, because our other members are late and they're taking their sweet ass time walking here. Hi Jason, I'm stealing your member. He's in Hacker Experience now. Last two brain cells. Last two brain cells. Brandon, are you full? No? You sure about that? Really?
Next basket of set.
Because we will put it in a to-go box. So hey guys, this is now the second part of my snap. Brandon has officially failed the challenge.
Not even done yet.
It's Ethan versus Brandon. Ethan is almost done, and then Brandon is still. There's nothing there. Surprise. Alright, who's next? This is the look of a truly happy man. Brandon Chan, how you feeling?
What's up, roosters? It's your boy, Amy.
What's up, demons? Hey, demons, it's your boy.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my god, oh my god.
I did not think it was that big.
Oh, hell of it. Ethan, how you feeling?
Great.
Oh my god.
Are you okay?
Mandy, how you feeling?
I'm impressed.
By the ice cream?
Wait, you ordered ice
Opening night.
Okay, so like,
Hello, friends.
how far do we have to drive? Because like, we're like in front of the office. Not like,
Wow, Jason, how you feeling? Wow, this is the whole venue. How it be? Hello, Ivy. How you feeling?
Hello.
T minus how many hours? I don't know.
It looks like one. It's on.
It's
I
the
mean,
one
that's
with the
only
yellow
one's on.
square. Alright, moment of truth. Oh, that was not it.
Oh my gosh. I'm scared. Lights.
This one. Oh, there it is.
Show ya.
Let's go.
Okay. Did I ask you guys to bring highlighters and pens? Yes. Do you guys all have them? Can you get them out?
Wow, dinner break. What are we eating, folks? Disappointment, apparently. Ooh, pad thai. Jason, what's that pad too? Wow, twinsies. Hello, guys. It's the night before SLO Hacks, and we're hanging for people in the back. How y'all feeling? Can you turn this on? Oh, wow. Steven seems alive. Wow, that has started. Oh my god, who is this? Hello, welcome back. Where are we?
We are.
So I am stressed and making slides right now because we do everything last minute, but it's great. Yeah, live life on the edge. All right, hacker interview time. Director Steven Tariq.
It's actually Gift Hardware Lab.
Oh my god.
Anime?
Is that
Anime?
Alt tab?
2019.
I don't even know what's on my slide.
It's slideshow karaoke.
But the caveat is no one knows it's slideshow karaoke. Wait, people are here already? Peer supporters of these. Is this connected to my laptop?
Hi.
I know Amy's a little intimidating, but
What do you mean? I'm so.
yeah, that's it.
Hello. Hi, Brandon. Just curious, do you guys know what tracks you guys want to do? Do you guys know what tracks you guys are doing? Hi. What tracks are you guys doing?
Alright, hey guys, day 2 of SLO Hacks. How are you feeling?
I don't know. It's going.
Hold on, that was a quite a different reaction than we had earlier.
I know, quite a different.
Wow. There's nothing here to be seen though, so it's just like a to-do. But exciting stuff. 30 more hours, Ivy. 30 more hours. So how much cream cheese we have? All this whole
1,
time.
2, 3, 4, 5. There's still 2. We have 6.
Too much.
6 tubs.
Wow. Is this rocket science? Alright, Ethan. Rage Cage.
I'm tired.
3 days later.
So how are you feeling post SLO Hacks?
I'm very tired.
You're tired? Who did judging? Who did exhibition? Who got mentored? Who did judging? Oh my god.
My team.
Oh no, it's all you. I'm proud of you. Oh my god. Well, if it isn't our food squad leader, food force leader, how you feeling?
It's great.
It's great.
It's over. It was
Yeah,
a great event.
so SLO Hacks 2021. Brandon, how you feeling?
Hello.
Alright, decor leader, how you feeling?
I hate this.
You hate this? What kind of attitude is that for SLO Hacks 2020?
Oh my god.
Phony first.
Later that same evening.
So Mika has a handle of vodka right now, and it's so cute because it fits in her purse.
Look, it's supreme.
This is boomer fashion at its highest.
Much later.
Alright, so guys, should we do string event? Brandon?
What did we say, Brandon?
What did you say, Brandon?
I